हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज इस वीडियो में आई विल बी टेलिंग यू हाउ टू ड्रॉ ओव्यूल very quickly and very neat and clean. So first of all, what we have to do is draw an oval structure which is actually the nucellus. Okay, and after making the nucellus you can draw the central embryo sac like this. These two circles or ovals you have to draw. Then you have to make the integuments, two integuments, leaving a space in between, which is the micropyle. Okay, so these are the two micropyle. You have to make it till half the distance here. The inner integument and then the outer integument. Like this. On right hand side you make a complete circle out of that integument and keep on going down like this, and here you can join with the outer integument here. So the region where these two are joined, this region is called as the hilum. I'll be labeling it. Okay, but first let us complete the diagram. ये almost complete है. इसके अंदर मैंने we have to fill the sporogenous tissue inside the nucellus. So only this part will take little time. Okay, so this is the sporogenous tissue, because this is a nucellus is actually the body of the megaspore. So it is a mega body nucellus of the ovule. Okay, and this is the sporogenous tissue that I am making. All the cell that you have to make should be irregular, then should not be very regularly made. Okay, and polygonal, may not be hexagonal, they can be polygonal, more than 6 edges. Okay, like this you make. I'm using different colors just to emphasize on the different parts of the ovule that should be able to distinguish for you people, which is nucellus and which is integument. After making this parenchymatous tissue, okay, you just have to dot them to show that they are the cells which are dense cytoplasm and they are nutritive in function. So this is the nucellus, right? Now after this is the embryo sac we had to make. So just remember that the egg is always towards the micropyle. ठीक है, micropyle की तरफ होता है. The biggest cell, it is flanked by two smaller cell called as the synergids. ये दो synergids हैं. This is the egg cell, in the center polar nuclei, and on the top 3 antipodal cells. Okay, so this is the embryo sac. This is the embryo sac. Okay. Now this is complete. Only thing is left is your labeling. कोशिश कीजिए कि labeling should be on one side. Then I can tell you this is the funiculus. This is also referred as the stalk of ovule. ठीक है, stalk of ovule is funiculus. The region where the ovule attaches with the funicle here, this region is called as the hilum, and the region in between these two integument is referred as micropyle. Then we start with the outer integument. Then inner integument. Then comes the embryo sac. This is nucellus. And the region opposite to micropyle, this is the micropyle region. So region opposite to micropyle is called as the chalaza. And the region here, this complete region, funicle, where funicle is fused with the ovule, this is the region where it is fused. This region is referred to as raphe. Okay, there is another thing which you should make is the vascular supply. Okay, this is the vascular supply that you have to make, because the funicle which is attached to the placenta, it takes the nutrition from the placenta to the developing ovule. So this also you can label. Or I can write it here. Vascular supply. So this is how you have to make an anatropous ovule. Structure of ovule I have told you. This is longitudinal section, and the structure here is anatropous ovule. And why I have taken anatropous ovule is because it is the most commonly found ovule in the angiosperms, right? So for practice, again this is how you have to make. Practice के लिए अगर आपको जल्दी जल्दी बनाना है तो you can make it like one circle, second circle, one integument, another integument, then this is the outer integument. Make a whole circle, bring it down and connect it here, and this is the vascular supply. You can use another color to show the vascular supply. I am just darkening it. And egg, synagid, polar nuclei, antipodal. बस हो गया. Funiculus, hilum, micropyle, outer integument, inner integument, embryo sac. This is nucellus, chalaza land, raphe, vascular supply. Okay, this you can quickly fill the cell here like this. You need not make it very big. In examination, if it come or different types of ovule come, then you need not make it very big, as filling in will take more time. Any diagram should be short and sweet, but it should be clear and concise and precise. Okay, so like this 2 minute, just 2 minute का काम है इसको बनाना. ठीक है, so this is how you practice. एंड प्रैक्टिसिंग मैंने आपको इसलिए बोला बिकॉज इस तरह के ओव्यूल का डायग्राम्स और ये सारी चीजें जो हैं वो हमेशा आती हैं एग्जाम्स में, राइट. सो एनाट्रोपस ओव्यूल में यू सिंपली हैव टू मेक ओव्यूल लाइक दिस, देन embryo sac, inner integument, inner integument यहाँ पे ये बाहर बना दी, बट here you can make another integument. Okay, these two. तो यहाँ पे funiculus हो जाएगा, chalaza, micropyle, outer integument, inner integument, nucellus and embryo sac, right. फिर हेमीट्रोपस में आपने इसको बस टल्ट कर देना है, इस तरीके से बनाना है. ठीक है, और फ्यूनिकुलस आपने यहां से निकालना है. इनर इंटीग्यूमेंट एंड देन आउटर इंटीग्यूमेंट. ठीक है, ये आपका हेमीट्रोपस हो गया. सर्सिनोट्रोपस का आप ध्यान रखना है. सर्सिनोट्रोपस में जो है ये आपने फ्यूनिकुलस को लेकर के ये पूरा कंप्लीट राउंड करना है. आपने पूरा राउंड करके आप जो है यहाँ पे आएंगे, फिर आप ओव्यूल बनाएंगे ऐसे. ठीक है, तो ये राउंड जो है ये होना चाहिए, ये पता चलना चाहिए कि फ्यूनिकल कौन सा है. ओके.